If you're looking for a quiet luxury bag that's petite but can still hold all of your essentials, I may have found the perfect bag for you. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Stance wallet from Cafuné. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Adrienne. I create outfit, travel, lifestyle, and review videos such as this one. If you're following me on Instagram, you may have already seen a quick unboxing of this bag as well as how I styled it. Each bag comes with a drawstring dust bag and the name Cafuné is embroidered in front. This is the Stance wallet in forest and it's really demure, sophisticated, and polished. I truly believe it's the perfect size bag for your everyday. The dimensions are listed as centimeters on the website, but since in the US we're not really used to the metric system, approximate measurement is 9 inches in width, 5 inches in height, and 2 inches in depth. Handle drop is 2 inches, so you could slide your hand in and then carry it as such, but it doesn't slide all the way down to the nook of your arm. So it's a bit awkward if you do that unless you're just holding it as such. Tippy toes so you get a better idea. However, I just like carrying it as a top handle bag. The bag includes a crossbody strap. So if I open this, the interior. So it includes this. It is very thin in the back. This is what it looks like. It has these 2 little notches that poke out. Do a little, yeah. And then you would slide this into it. So for instance, let me all right, put this down. I haven't used this, so I might need to give it a good tug to get it loose. Try on this end instead. Okay, so it's good that it's hard to unhook. Just means that it'll be tight and you don't have to worry about losing it if you wear a crossbody. Okay, so putting it in. So just a close-up of what I'm doing. So I slid it through and I'm sliding it through this little loop like a belt, pushing it down, and then I'm snapping it into place. All right, so I got the first one in, second one. Doing the same exact thing. All right, that's what it looks like. And the shoulder drop is approximately 18 to 21 inches, depending on how you place it on your body. All right, so I will do a closer up of how it drops on my body. For reference, I am 5'2", and this is how it sits against my body. I didn't make any adjustments. I wore it just how it came. It's extremely lightweight and weighs a little over a pound. Since this is a wallet, I'll open it so I can show you. No, it is a little dark, so it's lined in black, but I will flip the camera around and give you a better visual. Since this is a wallet bag, as I mentioned, there are card and bill slots in the back, so you don't necessarily have to bring an additional wallet. You can just use this as your wallet for the day. There's also a zippered compartment in the front interior right here. You can put more important documents and knickknacks in here. So actually, the zippered compartment feels like it goes down a good way. Probably not the entire 5 inches in height of the bag, but it does go, I'd say, 4 to 3 inches down. There's also another zippered compartment in the exterior of the bag, and that's in the back. Let me close this up so I can show you. So it's back here, and let's see. It feels like it goes down about approximately an inch or so. So maybe if you have little thin items. In between the zippered compartment and the card slots, you have an open compartment, and this is for all your other necessities. I honestly think this would be an amazing travel bag because you can keep all your important documents and necessities such as your passport close to you, and it's easy just to whip out whenever you need to. I love the detailing of the bag, and I was really surprised at just how high quality the leather was. This bag was impeccably made. I want to mention that the shoulder strap that is included is quite small and thin. I personally would prefer wearing this bag just as a top handle bag. I think it feels more sophisticated and it fits well with most of my outfits. However, I will bring this with me just in case I want to be hands-free, and carrying a top handle bag isn't always the most practical or convenient. Having this as an option is a plus. With the strap, you can see that there's a white stitching up and down. This little belt buckle is gold, as well as these little buttons, and it matches the hardware on the bag. The bag has white stitching all around. As you can see, I'll give you a 360 of it. This is what the top looks like, and then the bottom. The front flap has the signature C hardware, and you can see that there are two options for you to place this C depending on how stuffed your bag is and how you want your bag to actually appear. I personally would keep the C at the lower one. However, you do have the option to take it out, and then if you want a more fitted look, which I don't think I will do, I don't actually want to damage this bag, but yeah, I'm not going to try it. I don't want to damage this bag, but theoretically you could put it on the top. This is made with premium Italian cow leather, and I was quite surprised with how fine and luxurious this leather looks. Very close up. This leather was by a leather working group, gold-rated Italian tannery that specializes in manufacturing leather with minimal impact on the environment. Comes in multiple colors. I just showcased the one, but I can't wait to add more to my collection since the interior is very dark. I'll flip to the front facing camera to show you what I can actually fit in this bag and give you a closer look of the details of the bag. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can head over there to see how I styled this bag as well. For the purposes of this video, I decided to overstuff this bag. I really wanted to demonstrate how much this little tiny bag could hold. So I put in my mints, my Invisalign holder. I also placed my power bank in here because it's the same height as my phone. So I'm hoping this gives you more clarity about what this tiny bag can actually hold. I would never pack this bag to the brim as I did here, but it's nice to know that it holds a lot. Do you have the Cafuné bag? Are you considering buying it? Let me know your thoughts, comments. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.